In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find a Booking.com promo code in just 5 minutes. Why settle for full price when you can have a discount with just a little bit of effort and know-how? Today, I'll walk you through a few easy steps that will help you secure the best possible deal on your next trip. First things first, begin by visiting trusted coupon or deal websites. Some familiar names you might recognize include RetailMeNot, Groupon, or Coupons.com. These websites are well regarded for aggregating a variety of discount codes for many types of services, including travel bookings. This step is crucial because these platforms have a wide range of promo codes and have been vetted over time to ensure you're not wasting your time on a wild goose chase. Once you're on your chosen website, use the search feature to look for Booking.com promo code. This precision in your search terms is important because it narrows down the list of codes to only those that apply to your desired service. Keep an eye out for current popular codes. These are often prominently displayed due to their general effectiveness and popularity. After you've pulled up a list of promo codes, it's essential to check the validity, terms, and expiration date of each code. It's something of a golden rule when hunting for discounts. Always double-check these details to make sure the code is relevant to your booking. For instance, some codes might only be valid for specific destinations, types of accommodation, or might have a spending limit or expiration that doesn't fit your needs. By ensuring the code is a fit for your booking, you save yourself future frustration and disappointment. Once you've verified a promo code that suits your booking needs, go ahead and copy it. Click on the code to reveal it if it's hidden, and then highlight it and copy it to your clipboard. This will save you time later when you are processing the payment for your booking. The final step is easy but crucial. Head over to Booking.com to make your reservation. Proceed with your booking as you normally would. Before finalizing the payment, you will typically find an Apply Promo Code field on the payment page. Simply paste your copied promo code into this box and watch the savings get applied instantly to your total. Always be sure to review the updated price to confirm the discount has been accounted for before completing your purchase. By following these steps, you can enjoy the added satisfaction of knowing you've secured a bargain for your next travel adventure. With just a bit of patience and the right approach, finding a promo code for Booking.com can be a simple and rewarding process. Happy travels and enjoy the savings.